good morning, good night, good afternoon. So what we're doing is, see this place? Yeah, so we're gonna clean out this. Guys, go subscribe to that channel and this channel. It's good ideas, best me ever making in life, okay? Now what we're doing is we're gonna fill all, like, this is all gonna be filled with pots. So we gotta clean all this crap out, okay? If you guys watched this video, this is where we had my boat, and I did that. So we're gonna do that, and I moved that out there, and we're gonna do that, okay? Pocket knife, okay? That's what you're gonna need. This is all pots, okay? I don't know what that is, don't know what that is. That right there, 11-inch hanging pots. Never heard of 11-inch before. Okay, here we go. See how easy that was, people? If you ever run a greenhouse, it shouldn't be that hard to open a gosh dang pot, okay? See how easy that was? Yep, here we go, That's right there, that's what I'm saying. Good enough. Alright. Oh look, they even gave us free wires, what I got? Wires. There's good stuff, Ah! Ow! Right in the face. Now my mic just fell down my chest. That doesn't feel good. Okay, what the heck is this? Okay. Okay, still, well, nope, not still alive. Okay, we're doing good. Okay, you guys don't know what these are. Pot! Right there, we need to haul some of that to the other greenhouse up there. It's right there. Anyways, now yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up. Hopefully my GoPro stick can clip right on my head, but yeah. Anyways, now we got to haul that up. I think we only need a couple boxes, so yeah, we're too good. Okay, here we go. Now my pony's mad at me. Okay, here we go. Now we actually gotta clean out the greenhouse. I was just getting all the boxes out. Now I gotta organize all that crap. Yeah, and now I gotta kill all that plywood out of there. Oh, there's my fish live well. Anyway, now I gotta, yeah, there's my toolbox from whenever I built the boat. But yeah, okay. Oh, my leg. Okay, you're okay. Not doing too bad. Okay. Ow. That box you see me haul right there, was full of them things right there, okay? If you guys wait for too long, your fingers start to fall right off. Let's go over. Okay, here we go. Now, that didn't work as well as I thought it would. Yeah, leaf blow from there all the way to there with my leaf blower right there. Okay, now I got to, yeah, we guess gotta do that. Okay, here we go. Free pellet. Yeah, it'll probably get used for hay bales or something. Okay, we're doing good. Alright. Uh-oh, here we go. people, see, got it all cleaned out. Now I'm going to get all that. That's all for my boat. I gotta put that back in there. Now we gotta get all that cleaned out so plants can go here and all that good stuff. Gotta take that out too. Yeah, so this is, you guys didn't watch my boat video. I put that on the deck. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna put that up there. Good enough. Okay. Now, my seat for my boat. Oh, there's my fish bucket. I'll leave that. And we gotta take care of my fishing pole. Why in the world is my fishing pole in here? Anyways. Now, I get my... And yes, the hay bale did fall down. Anyway, now I got to... What the heck do I gotta do? I gotta... This is... Good enough. Okay. This thing right here. Yeah, anyway. Now see, this is what we fill with the dirts and all the good stuff. Yeah, it's really dusty in here. I'm actually allergic to dust. I'm gonna get out here real quick because I'm about to die. Yeah. All right, now I gotta take care of all of that. My leaf blower, my toolbox, my drill. Oh, look, there's a battery. I gotta pull all that. I'm just gonna put it, I'll lean it up against there for now. Yeah, now I'm going to take care of all that. Okay, all right, people. This is gonna go back in my garage. Whee! Battery's dead. Anyway. I can't ever get these stupid things to ever clip in. Okay, oh, let's do this again. Yeah, buddy. Now we got this big ugly thing. Hi-ya! Pull this. Okay. Now I'm going to take all that stuff to the garage and yeah, okay, yeah, all that good stuff. Yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's March 3rd, or I think it's the 4th right now. We'll check in a minute. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. On March 8th and 9th, that's when I'm gonna start videoing us filling them pots I just hauled over there. That's when I'm gonna start videoing them filling the dirt. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you really did like it, please like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.